Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now, I'll get to those gas prices in a moment, but let's start off with some more news from the latest Business Confidence Survey. 43% of local businesses feel crime is the most critical issue affecting Jamaica. That's according to the latest survey conducted for the third quarter, and that survey, of course, is commissioned by the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce. Now, 6% of the 100 businesses polled also viewed unemployment as the major issue along with poverty. Of the 43 businesses which saw crime as being the most concerning, pollster and head of Market Research Limited, Don Anderson, says 50% of the firms polled felt crime and violence would remain the same in the next year.
A significant 38% believe that crime will get worse, so that the views of the business sector are consistent with the views of the consumers, inciting that crime is the #1 challenge and that it will get worse. What are some of the things that business sector believe should be implemented? Greater effort by the police. It's seen by business leaders as the #1 solution to the crime problem. Whilst jobs for young people, no different from how the consumers feel about the crime situation. But I want you to hold in mind, therefore, that the business sector is reluctantly accepting that things are getting better.
Gas prices will see mixed movements effective Thursday. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 25 cents more. Diesel will, however, decline by 90 cents, while $1.67 will be shaved off each litre of ultra-low sulfur diesel. Kerosene and propane will decline by 25 cents. However, 79 cents will be added to butane. Each gas station will, of course, make these adjustments to their rates, which includes a markup on the ex-refinery prices offered by Petrojam. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says the number of tourists around the world will almost double by 2050. It's estimated that 1.4 billion people travel for leisure and other tourism-related activities annually.
In a matter of 25 years, 1 billion more tourists are going to be traveling across the world. Where are they going? Where they're coming from. And so in the context of your discourses, we have to examine then what are the trends, what are the future calls, what are the psychographic profiles of this new demographic that is emerging across the world. What are the calls from the new destinations that are emerging? And how do we build capacity to embrace that new thrust?
Now, he was speaking to stakeholders of the Sandals Group during a workshop on Tuesday. Let's head to the foreign currency market now. The Jamaican dollar lost 4 cents by the end of trading on Wednesday. Banks and cambios are selling the greenback for an average $155.74, coming from $155.70 on Tuesday. The Canadian dollar is going for $114.28. $189.82 is the average cost for the pound, while it's costing $169.01 for the euro. And to the stock market, the JSE index lost 525 points today, while the junior market index declined by 28 points. Among the 44 winners were Trans-Jamaican Highway 8% shares, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, Everything Fresh, Proven Group, and The Lab. The 41 losers were led by CAC 2000, General Accident Insurance, Indus Pharma Jamaica, Lasco Manufacturing, and Lasco Financial Services. 14 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.